I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Hello my fellow YouTubers, how are we all today? Welcome back to the channel where the guy that's videoing it always has a messy bench. Typically cleans up before he starts, but this time I'm probably going to leave it. Today I've taken it in and I've done some bits and bobs. Let me show you what we're up to. Yeah, so I've tin foiled now some aluminium tape. This stuff, sort of your HVAC tape, I suppose you can really say it is. It's just cheap and nasty stuff, but I've used it in the past, and the RX7's works a treat. Just because the turbo and stuff's around here, you know, it's quite a lot of heat. I like to just stick a wee bit of heat tape on those affected sort of areas. I've also installed the clutch bearing itself, so as you can see it's on the adapter. The line also comes up here through the bell housing to this T-piece here, and on top of the T-piece I've put a bleed nipple there. That might be a bit of a nightmare to get to. I should have maybe thought through a wee bit better about that. However, I have bled it already, so it's ready to go. What else I've done is I've stuck in these brake lines. So one brake line goes to this wheel, another one goes to this wheel, other ones come around and go to the back. The engine itself, as you would have seen in the last videos, it's got its 1000cc injectors in now, valve clearance in, everything's been done. I just modified this pipe slightly, and this one as well, it comes off the back of the block. That'll be for the heater matrix, so that basically comes around here, loops around this side, and again this one from here, that'll go into the heater matrix. Was around here on an RX7, but back here on a Civic, which this engine came from. So tonight's task mainly is going to be finishing off this subframe. As you can see down here, I have cut these pieces off, and as they'll be strong enough as themselves, I would like to put a bit of a plate over the top of these, just to kind of get rid of the weak points. We've eventually welded in the back plates now, so they're all solid, and now I don't have to worry about it. The bracing across there I don't have to worry about so much, because the actual engine itself will be braced across and stopping that from coming in. Not only that, is we have still got this front brace as well, which will keep it stiff. I think we're going to stick in the engine. Hold tight, because we might manage. I don't know, let's see. Right, so we've jacked up the car now. We've got the jack in the gearbox, and we've jacked it up at the height. We're going to get the engine stand on the go. We're going to pull the engine round.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
Right guys, would you look at that? She's in. I'm glad I've done all that tin foiling now. Oh yes, it's looking the part, I'll tell you that much. The clearance in the back was tight. I've actually broken one of the sensors here. Well, it's just the clip. The pins look alright, so I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, everything's fine, it's plenty clear. It looks like it's actually supposed to be in there, so I'm very happy. You happy?
Is that where all my tinfoil goes?
Sure, on this side, same, plenty room. So, yeah, plenty of space for us to do all the plumbing and stuff. So I'm buzzing that's in. We're going to nip up the brake, the bleed now for the clutch, and I suppose we best see if it actually works, But all in all, so far, absolutely buzzing, and hopefully this is the last time it comes in to the car. In fact, I'll blow it up and then I'll forge one. And then when that one goes in, hopefully that's the last engine to go into the car. Oh, little darling.
I've got a chopper. Does he
Yuck.
say cheese? No, no cheese. Oh, he's saying cheese.
Little cutie pie. Oh yeah, engine is in. Absolutely buzzing about that, like, so, yeah. Hopefully, like we say, that is the last time it goes in, but we have come across a few issues, and these are no easy fixes. Well, yet. So, we have the exhaust side here. Yeah, we'll be able to get a downpipe down there, no problem. However, we can't have the wastegate as well as a downpipe down there. There's just not enough room. The piping I had come around here, we're going to blank that off now. So it should give us enough room to go down. However, yeah, like I say, wastegate's a problem. We could maybe come off the side here, the wastegate, but again, not a lot of room. So one of the possible solutions would be have the wastegate right on top of it. However, it's close to everything and we're not sure if the bonnet will shut. So another option, probably one of the last options, is go for a Borg Warner EFR turbo. It's internal gated, that would be ideal. However, they're about 1800 quid, so yeah, I don't fancy getting one of them. So issues still arise. It's not as easy as plug and play, unfortunately. But this is what we live for. And we love fucking about with cars. So we'll just keep on with it. Right guys, once again, thank you very much for watching the video and subscribing and liking and joining into the community and the commentary with this raft. Try to get this old thing back on the road. So yeah, I suppose we'll catch you in the next video. See you later on.
Can't take much less.